Hi, boys and girls. This book is called Food Groups. And right here, these words say 5 food groups because there are 5 different food groups that we eat to keep our bodies healthy. This food group is fruit. There are apples and pears. Have you ever seen a fruit, a fruit, a fruit? Have you ever seen a fruit like apples and pears? And these are vegetables. Have you ever seen a vegetable, a vegetable, a vegetable? Have you ever seen a vegetable like broccoli and carrots? Here's another food group. This is the grains. Have you ever seen some grains, some grains, some grains? Have you ever seen some grains like oats, rice, and wheat? And here is protein. Sometimes they call it the meat group, but there's lots of people who don't eat meat, but they might eat beans or legumes. Have you ever seen some protein, some protein, some protein? Have you ever seen some protein like chicken and beans? And here is dairy. Have you ever seen some dairy, some dairy, some dairy? Have you ever seen some dairy like yogurt and milk? So things that come from milk are dairy. And it might be cheese, it might be yogurt, it might be milk itself, it might be butter, it might be ice cream. All those things that come from milk are dairy products. Have you ever seen a treat, a treat, a treat? Have you ever seen a treat like candy and cake? Hi, boys and girls. So here is a plate that could be the different food groups that you might eat. Now there's 5 food groups, and then the treats are just a little bit the sweet stuff. So fruit and vegetables and grains and proteins and dairy. So they tell us we should eat some protein and more vegetables. We should eat some fruit and a little bit more grain. And we should have some dairy. So that's what the United States government said would be good for us.